Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker channel here. In today's video, I am at T-Swirl Crepes. I'm gonna go inside, order a crepe to go, and I hear they have something cool inside. Let's check it out. All of these fantastic crepes here that you can get. Here they have the cotton candy vending machine. Look at this thing, it is awesome. We're gonna make a selection. All right, look at all these patterns that we can choose from here. I think I'm gonna go with this one here. That looks pretty wild. Let's make our selection here. Woohoo! Okay, here we go. This is where the magic happens. Look at that. That is wild. That's gonna shape it again. How does it do that? Oh, here it comes. Look at that. Wow, you can really smell it too. Woo! Well, there you have it. I got my cotton candy and a banana strawberry crepe right here at T-Swirls in Frisco. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, upload a cool video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want y'all to keep on rocking. Woo!